chukua script kutoka hapa kwa hao watu wa kanisa wakwambie how to run a proper church. And thank you very much for the powerful words. Your Excellency, we want to thank you for visiting this region, particularly Homa Bay. I thought it was 3 times, but I've been told it is 4th time that you're coming here within a year. We continue to welcome you. Wengine wetu tuko under a lot of pressure. Msikia Mheshimiwa Jalango amesema tumeitwa disciplinary committee. Mimi nimepata barua yangu. Makosa nimeandikiwa ati nilikuja kwa ofisi yako kuona the President of the Republic of Kenya. Baada ya hiyo tukaenda kwa Deputy President. Sasa mimi nashindwa. In my day-to-day running of activity, I am a member of Parliament in the National Assembly. I oversight your government. We interact with you even in committees of Parliament through your officers. What is wrong in me discharging my duties in asking you within the vastness of the nation, as you are considering other regions, ukumbuke watu ya Migori na watu ya Nyanza? Iko makosa? Benitie makosa kanyo. Lakini sisi tutaenda. The next thing I wanted to tell you, Your Excellency, kabla ukuje hapa, and I think it's a very big issue, watu wamekuwa wakisema hapa. At our border in Sondu, in fact, that is the latest thing watu wanajaribu sensationalize around this area. Atio watu kutoka Kalenjin wanaua Wajaluo pale Sondu. Sisi na nyinyi ni Nilots. Sisi ni mandugu na tumekaa kwa amani. Today you are here. I spoke to the CS Interior. He said he was there in the morning. Your Excellency, you are here. And I think part of that sensationalization, hiyo kuiweka watu waanze kuona huruma, ilikuwa ni kwa sababu your PS for Interior was having a homecoming. I am sure the Senator for Kericho is here, the Senator for Kisumu is here, and all of us leaders from this region, including your good self, Your Excellency, tusaidie hiyo mambo iishe kabisa, au watu wakae chini, hiyo mambo ya conflict ikuishe.